Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Remember, if I have not reached 500 subscribers by the time you're watching this video, go back in my recent videos and look at the giveaway video and go get entered to win some cool Cummins stuff. If you're not subscribed yet, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. Today we're going to be looking at my crew cab, and I'm going to tell you the 4 things about my truck that I don't like. This is something that every truck owner probably has, and so I'm going to tell you what are my 4 things. So let's go check it out. All right, so number one is my friend right here, this little guy. I don't like that this thing's an automatic. At least I don't like the automatic that's in it right now, I guess I should say. It's the stock A518. Honestly, it does really well for stock. It does everything I need, except when I am pulling more than 7,000 pounds or so. It gets hot. It doesn't like it. It just seems like it's struggling the whole time. So I don't like that. And I've even got, I've got a double deep transmission pan. I've got a Dorelli auxiliary transmission cooler. All my other transmission coolers are in functioning order, so it should be fine. I know it's the torque converter. It's a stock torque converter that's slipping. So I'm in the process of making plans to change that. Right here I've got a 47RH. That is in good working order. I just need a new torque converter for it. The thing I struggle with that, I haven't thrown that in yet because I'm also looking at putting a 5-speed in it. So I haven't made up my mind yet. Once I make up my mind, something's going to change on this. So that's number 1. Number 2 is right here. You guys know what those are. Those are leaf springs. Not as bad in the rear because that's how most trucks are, but leaf springs in the front. I mean, come on, man, right? Ride quality on this thing is nowhere up to par on newer trucks. It's bumpy. It does not ride like a newer truck. Now, saying that, that's not a dislike of mine in that I can't stand it. I knew that going into this truck, that it was going to ride poorly. I know that every time I drive it, and I just take it as it is. I don't drive it fast. I don't off-road it, because it doesn't like that kind of thing. So you'll see a lot of people complain about the ride quality, but if you're going to buy a 30-year-old truck, the ride quality is going to suck. I mean, there's no arguing that. So I already know that. I don't like it, but I accept it. It is what it is. I'd rather drive a sweet old truck that doesn't ride as well than drive a newer truck that I'm paying a bunch every month to just keep it and insure it. So anyways, that's number 2. Number 3, step back for you. This is number 3. Blue, green, and gold. Blue, green, and gold. The paint is number 3. I love the truck, but yeah, just every time I see pictures of it and how cool a truck it is, and then I see the paint is just so awful looking, it just kind of gets under my skin a little bit. So I've got plans in the work. In the next couple months, we're going to start body work on this, and we're going to paint it. So I'm not going to tell you what color yet, but I've got everything chosen out. The interior is actually all painted already, all the door jambs, all the interior side of the doors. So I just need to do the exterior. So I'm going to do that so that I can get over that dislike. All right. The last dislike that I have with the truck, many of you won't be able to relate to this, but the rear doors, let me see if this opens. Nope. So right now that rear door is locked. In order to unlock it, and it's worse on this driver's side one, I've got to pull up on this super hard, or I have to reach my hand in With one hand, pull on the interior handle while the other hand reaches back and pulls up on the lock mechanism. That works every time, but it's super annoying to do. Also, even when it's unlocked, and this is on both doors, if you're riding in the back seat and you want to get out, when you get somewhere, the interior handles don't open the door. So I've got work to do on those rear doors. That's a project for a future video. I'm going to pull the lock mechanisms out, pull all the rods out, and we're going to rebuild those mechanisms so they work flawlessly and I don't have any issues with them. So that's one of my beefs with the rear doors. Not a huge deal because they still function, but I want to get them working 100% correctly. Anyways, guys, those are the 4 things that I don't like about my truck. Honestly, none of those 4 negatives outweigh the positive that I experienced from driving this truck. I love this thing. It's my baby. All those issues can be fixed. All those issues are totally worth it to be driving a truck that's paid off, that's cool, that everyone likes. It's totally worth it. So let me know what you don't like about your first gen down in the comments below. Let's hear what other people don't like. Maybe there are issues that I've fixed on mine that I can help you fix. So let's hear that down below. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Remember to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.